Hi, Timothy Unker here, and in this video, I'm going to discuss generating much more random numbers. Okay, so in the previous video, we talked a little bit about srand, and then the video before that, we talked about the rand function. In this video, we're going to talk about srand with the time function, and to use that, we're going to need to include the time header. So I'm going to include time.h, and I'm going to create two integers again, so random underscore num and I. I is going to be used for the for loop. Random num is going to be used for the random number. And then I'm going to use the srand function. And in it, I'm going to pass in unsigned and then time null. We'll talk more about this later on, but basically we're using the time function to get back a random value and for our seed. So I'm going to say for, now for a for loop, for I equals 0, I'm just going to do 10 numbers. So I is less than 10, and we'll increment I by 1 each time through the loop. And I'm going to say random underscore num equals rand, and then we'll do modulo 25 plus 1. So that'll give me numbers 1 through 25. And then I'm going to print f, and we're going to pass an integer in because we're printing the random number. Let's do a space here so they're separated. And we're going to print random underscore num and close that with a semicolon. And then let's go down here and I'm going to print f, basically a new line here. And then I'm going to return 0, okay, at the end of this main function. Okay, so I'm going to save this and let's open up a terminal and let's run it. And, well, let's compile it first. So I'm going to compile it into really rand, and then I'm going to run really rand, and I get 21, 13, 19, 25. Now when I ran the regular rand function before, or the srand with the same seed, I got the same thing back. Now if I run this again, if I keep running it, you notice my numbers are always different here. So by passing in the time function for the seed, it's giving me a random value for that seed each time. So it's really creating a much more random numbers than before. Anyways, I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. It really does help the channel grow. And I want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day.